8th pre-competitive skill test. At the event, Modi said Pakistan had been unsuccessful whenever it tried for further its plans, but had not learned anything from its history. Full stop. I want to tell these patrons of terrorism that their unholy plans will never be successful. Full stop. Our brave forces will squash terrorism, the enemy will be given a befitting reply, and Reuters quoted him as saying, full stop. In response, the Foreign Office said in a statement that bravado and jingoism undermine regional peace and were totally counterproductive for the resolution of long-standing disputes between the two countries, especially the core dispute of Kashmir. Full stop. Businesses and the economy have been destroyed and people are leaving the country for greener pastures. Full stop. He claimed there were reports that police also tortured several party workers. Full stop. New paragraph. The Indian leaders' rhetorical statements cannot deflect international attention from India's heavy-handed approach to suppress the Kashmiri people's just struggle for realization of their fundamental rights and freedoms, particularly their inalienable right to self-determination. Full stop. In recent methods, there has been a spat of attacks on both sides of the border. Full stop. Pakistan has said there was credible evidence linking Indian agents to the killing of dozens of people on its soil, while India claims that Islamabad is behind a recent spat of attacks in India held Jammu and Kashmir, where at least 12 Indian soldiers have been killed this year. Full stop. In response, she claimed the judge adjourned the hearing and left the courtroom. Full stop. New paragraph. Talking about Friday's legal proceedings, she said that her brother's legal team was not allowed inside the jail and police told judge that lawyers had not shown up when they were actually standing outside. Full stop. PTI protests in Punjab. Meanwhile, PTI supporters seeking to uphold the sanctity of the constitution and secure the release of party founder Imran Khan and other incarcerated leaders and workers, held demonstrations across the province. Full stop. In order to avert the mass protest, the Punjab government had imposed section 144 banning political assemblies, protests, rallies and other activities, claiming that there were apprehensions of a threat to order and law. Full stop. He condemned the Punjab government for orchestrating raids at party workers' residences. Full stop.